My name is Malte Meinshausen. I'm Associate Professor here at the University of Melbourne, and I'm heading the Australian-German College of Climate and Energy Transitions. This college that now the University of Melbourne has set up in collaboration with multiple German partners in the Berlin and Potsdam area is really unique of its kind. It's interdisciplinary, so that we have students from lots of different disciplines. So we look at both the climate problem as well as what can we do about it to mitigate climate change and dangerous levels of climate change.
My name's Anita Talvik. I moved down from Canberra to do a PhD with the Climate and Energy College. I'm looking into the policy questions and issues that arise when Australia starts debating climate engineering. The reason I was attracted to studying my PhD here at the Uni of Melbourne with the college particularly was the fact that there would be such an international and multidisciplinary environment. It really contributes to the way you tackle your issue or what aspects you might think about in drafting your hypothesis or research questions. I hope that in some way the outcomes of my research will influence the Australian climate policy decision-making process.
My name is Alexander Nautz and I'm originally from Germany. Previously I was working in Switzerland for the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, assisting the so-called technical support unit there in publishing the latest report that looks into the physical science of climate change. My PhD is in long-term sea level rise projections and try to assess the uncertainties that are associated with all the individual components that make up the total sea level rise budget. Glaciers on land, the Greenland and Antarctic components, land water storage contributions, and the expansion of the ocean itself. I also need sort of a very fruitful discussions with people from other backgrounds because I cannot just simply look into the physics. That's exactly why I've chosen to come here to Melbourne to the Climate and Energy College, because it has such a fantastic level of interdisciplinary facets from all different aspects that are important for my work.
These are important issues because climate and energy is really at the nexus of the challenge for the humanity for the 21st century. Really, the impacts are going to be more dramatic the more we crank up the thermostat of the Earth. And so the question is, how can we avoid dangerous levels of climate change? And our college is really trying to tackle all these questions that come with it from very different angles. And it's a very nice mix of students that we have. They come from an interdisciplinary background. Some have been in private companies, some have been in policy making, some have been with scientific bodies before, and that creates an excellent research environment for addressing these questions that humanity faces in the 21st century.